Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search at the bottom. Then click at the search line at the top and write XIAOMI. Now search, and you need to install the application what called XIAOMI Earbuds. Now open it. Read and agree. Also, you can check right here. I don't want to, it's up to you. Right here, select your region and click on it, and then click next. I'm going to skip it. You can click next, it's up to you. And right here, click allow. Now click add and agree while using the app. But if you don't need to access your location, you can do not allow it. And that's it. In the next video we will add this earbuds to the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!